Dual spacers are accessories for performance upgrades. Whether we are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading, it is safe to use high-quality wheel spacers. By enlarging the track width, this wheel spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. You'll feel more stable while cornering. This also allows you to install bigger tires and larger brakes with no rubbing issue. Proper-sized wheel spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flank. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. The safety of wheel spacers largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.